Hi everyone, this is Saurabh, and in this video I'll be explaining you what is an operation inside make.com. So if you want to learn more about make.com, there are series of other videos on my channel. You can check them out. And now let's straight away dive into what are operations. So in the previous videos I have covered operations at different points, but every time a module performs an action. So again, we'll just go back to this example of weather app. Whenever this is run, you see number one. So this number one, it means that it has consumed one single operation. So when you retrieve this weather, it means one operation has been consumed. The other actions that can consume operations are create, update, delete. All those actions, they consume one action. And this operation counting, which you see here, if I run this scenario, this operation counting is ensuring that you are aware of how many operations you have consumed within a month. So for this particular scenario, I have just now consumed two operations. So the first module in the scenario run only once and always count as one operation. This is even in the event if it doesn't produce a bundle. If it doesn't produce a result, that will also be still counted as an operation. And every time a module performs an action, it consumes an operation based on the amount of actions required. For example, if there are three rows to be added in a Google Sheet, this will consume three operations. And why do you have to worry about these operations? Because the pricing model for make.com is based on the number of operations. With the free plan, you're going to get 10,000 operations for free to run. And after that, you can purchase additional operations or you can upgrade your plan. So now let me just explain to you again by creating a new scenario for your understanding. So let me go back to scenarios, discard changes, and I'll create a new scenario. And here I'll add Gmail, watch email, and I'll update all emails. Okay, and then I want to add uh, each email to a different row. Okay, so I'll add a Google Sheet here and I'll do add a row. We choose my our connection which is there. We select it by search by path. We'll go into my drive and then we choose the spreadsheet, and for this purpose we can say, let's say this one, and we'll just add subject. We'll add date and we'll add delivered to. Now let me run this. See, it has run once, so it has consumed two operations. Let me go back to see. It has also added this in my Google Sheet, the email. So this is the basic concept for operation, and I hope you got some value out of this video. And if you need more information about make.com, please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching and happy automating.